You are doing a great job. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Nice. That looks nice. Then write B.
Huh.
Why did you do? What happened?
Yeah, the drawing means to color it, not to write
Okay, you know what you are going to do? Once you don't do what you like, you are going to start all over again. Okay?
Okay.
Now you are going to start everything all over again. So you are going to clean it up and start all over again. You don't like the drawing?
Yeah.
Okay, you are going to erase it. Now erase it.
What? Is that the marble small, Lily?
What's that?
The marble was so small when I draw the letter A.
So what color do you want to use now?
Blue? Blue,
Okay.
blue, 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 blue.
What letter is this? What letter is this?
B, 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 B.
Great job. Great job. What letter is next after B?
What? It's small. It's small, Mama. It's so tiny.
What letter is next, my baby?
Color C.
Great job. After C, what letter is next?
I can see a swallow.
What letter is next after C? Good boy. Good boy. That's not. Does that look like D? D?
Yeah.
Good job. Yeah. What letter is next after D?
Double.
What letter is next after D?
E, D, E.
Now write us letter D. Letter E. What color are you using?
Black.
Black.
Yes. Black like night. Eep, eep. Black like space. Black,
Good
black,
job.
black.
What's that?
E.
Good. Now what letter is next after E?
So small is the marble. Heavy. Crayon.
What letter is next after E?
What is that doing?
What letter is next after E?
Oh my gosh.
What letter is next after E?
Beef. F. B. No, not V. F.
Wow, this doesn't look like F. Oh. Can you please do that again? Oh, ouch. Now write F.
Oh my god.
Now, can you write us F?
F.
This is E. What's that?
Heavy.
Good job. Now, what after F? What letter is next?
Go. Is that a C again?
Are you sure it's letter C that is next after F? What are you writing?
D. Good.
This does not look like G.
G die, G die.
No,
Red
this does
G.
not look like G.
Red G.
No, this doesn't look like G. Can you do that again?
Is that a tiny D?
That's not G. That's not how to write G. Can you do that again?
Again.
Can you do that again? Or do you want me to help you?
Yes, yes.
Do you want mommy to help?
Yes. Yeah. No.
Do you want mommy's help?
Yes.
Okay, let me show you how to write G.
Big one. Wow.
Let me show you how to write G. This is how to write
What did
G.
you write, Daisy? Green light. Groove died. No shit.